the sun somewhere else. There we go.
I want you by my side. 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 I'm waiting for the day that you realize that I'm so down for you. I'm your ride or die. Take you by the hand, look into your eyes. I'ma tell you, girl, I want you by my side. Oh, oh, oh,
We're back. It's a great day to be outside. It's so warm. The sun is shining. Water's going down. So I'm supposed to be working.
Wrap it up, Johnson. Wrap it up.
Why are you rushing me?
You got work to do. This is your project.
Okay, so yes, this is a project that I called for. This is a DIY project. This is a recycle project. We're gonna take some pallets and turn them into a platform, a deck platform, so that if someone comes and uses this new site that we're putting in here behind me, they won't have to put their tent on the ground. So here we go. It's Bristol! Hello, Bristol! Oh! Hey! How are you? How are you? Great. Great. It's one thing I love about being a grandmother. I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming right now.
Which guys, where are you gonna build it at? Right there, that big flat spot.
Right out there. 12 by 16 wide.
There you go.
We've been brainstorming and sketching this project for quite some time. With the location of this site and the cost of lumber, we didn't want to have to invest a ton of money into it until we could see how it does when it floods. After a lot of debate, David finally agreed that we could attempt this low-cost way of getting it completed. I stayed persistent that we could make this happen, and now here we are. Thank you so much for the provision of lumber and supplies. All right, step 2, pick up the pallets. Hi!
How you doing, Sheree?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Happy spring season!
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Wonderful. We got me a new little pal here.
Do you?
A little,
Oh, is that a dachshund?
yeah, he's a...
He's a little weenie. You been down to the river?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Later. There's a tree down over here
Oh yeah, on the path.
on our side, yeah.
I should probably stop that because then he can't see.
Yeah, well,
We're going to be using 6 4-foot by 8-foot pallets. Now, the 4-foot by 8-foot is actually a rough estimate. They're more like 4.5 by 8.5, give or take a few inches. We're also going to be using quite a few 2x10s and 2x12s, as well as some 2x4s. All of the wood was donated and is recycled. This first set of pallets is unloaded. We're gonna go up, grab the last of them, come back down, get this thing started. As we take this quick ride through the countryside, David and I would like to say thank you to all of you that are tuning into our videos. Thank you to all of our subscribers, new, and those of you that have been here for a minute now. Also, to our friends and family, we love you and thanks so much. We can't wait to see you.
first and foremost. I like this fender. It serves a purpose, keeps the mud, you know, flying everywhere. I like to keep
start and never get to it's a team building exercise. There you go. It's exercise patience, understanding, clarity, ease, flow. Okay, so
you know what I have, this one I just tell Jeff. You know, like if it's, I tell him, I say, okay, I want this project, I want you to do it for me. And then I say, tell me what to do, and I'll just do anything you tell me to do.
It's all sounding familiar so far.
You gotta talk.
It's all sounding familiar so far.
You have to use language, and I understand.
There's a barrier there.
You know? And then we're good to go, you know?
okay, so let's see what other things did we say?
I think that's it, man.
Where are our stakes at? They're gone?
They are, that's alright. We're gonna set those blocks and put new strip lines through.
Okay.
Seriously, we can have no buckets too.
Readily available right here. There's some buckets at the gate.
Is there?
Yeah.
All we're gonna need per pad is probably a quarter of a bucket per pad.
Got a shovel and
I think there is on there. We're good. I'll start setting these up.
A few of the things that we did purchase are these concrete deck blocks that we're going to use for footers and the 4x4s that we're going to use for posts. The whole thing will come together as a frame for the deck. That brings the total cost of this project so far to just under $300. Thank you for tuning in. We'll be back soon with part 2.